Dollar Tree is getting better and better, and they are putting out more fall and more Halloween stuff. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. Now, as I mentioned, Dollar Tree is always getting some new items in, and they are focusing on fall and Halloween right now. And I think they're also stocking up for just Christmas in general and getting like gift ideas and stuff. I found some pretty cool things, and I'm really, really excited about them. Now, if I look and sound a little funny, it is because I actually had a dental procedure done yesterday. I'm still a little tender on this side. It had been a while since I've been to the dentist because I am self-employed now, and I had to have some work done, and part of that included having a root canal, a cavity, a cleaning, and also, unfortunately, an extraction. So that is what is going on kind of back here right now. I feel really good. I got up early this morning because I am going to go out and show houses to a client, which I'm super excited about. But I wanted you guys to have a video for today. So that is why we are doing this. We must move on with the show, right? All right, let's jump into this. Let me see, where do I go first? Because there's not a ton of stuff here, but there's some really, really cute stuff. All right, this is the first item that I grabbed, and I thought that this could be perfect. And I think I'm just going to put it on these shelves just right here. And I think it's just a good way to be. And it says on the front of it, it says, be kind, be brave, and be awesome. But what I really liked about it is that it does light up, so now you can even see that a little better. And I think that this will be really, really cute on that shelf back there. And also, it looks like we're gonna have a little furry visitor here in a little while. Now, perfect timing, because this is also something that I grabbed for him. He loves these kind of soft-sided toys, especially when it's got like these little ribbons or anything. So, Mr. Otis, do you want this toy? Do you want this? I'll see if I can get him playing with it later on. But yeah, it's just like it's like a chicken. Here, baby, you want your chicken? Want your chicken? Go get it. Okay, he's playing with his chicken, so I don't know if he'll be back or not. I just grabbed another one of these 7x7 frames. I've used these before in a lot of different projects. And I have just a very simple project that is going to make a huge impact in my guest room, just with like buying maybe 8 of these frames. So more to come with that. I'll probably include it in my next DIY video, which is coming up soon. It won't necessarily be fall, but it's a fun way that you can incorporate fall. This is another thing that I want to incorporate into some fall, or these home signs that you can get in the Crafter Square section. How cool would that be to put something back behind there? Maybe what I'm actually thinking about doing is different pieces of scrapbook paper that I can have in there that all have a fall theme and a fall color to it. I think that will be really, really pretty. And I may even just kind of stain this with antique and wax, and then have those nice pops of fall color fabrics and stuff. Not fabrics, but I could do it with fabrics. I did it with fabrics at Christmas time. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use scrapbook paper. Now they have a new a repackaged nautical rope at Dollar Tree now, and it's kind of a tighter weave. It's a smaller weave, so I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing. Mr. and Mrs. Dollar Tree, the buyers that are out there, this is only 9.5 feet, but you can kind of see it's a tighter weave, which you know, I kind of have mixed feelings about, because I do like the other kind of thickness that we would get, but I also kind of like that this is a little, just a little tighter, and I think it'll be nicer for doing projects. The thicker Dollar Tree rope can be a little kind of hairy sometimes. This has definitely got some little fuzzies on it, and you'll need to be able to, you know, kind of burn this and char this and kind of tighten it up a little bit. But super, super doable. That is something that I've just kind of got for my, just for my craft room and to supply. These are also something that return. Oh gosh, it did not break. Metal stands, candle holders. These are super cute. I actually have some of these in my bathroom, and I wanted to have more of these because I love the modern kind of take on them. They did have these in gold as well, and I think these are the types of things that are kind of coming back in for gift giving, Christmas giving baskets, things like that. I bought this kind of strand of beads that has this little rainbow on the end, and then this tassel, just because I like to have these beads that I don't have to paint. That's a good thing. These are really, really great letters that are a really good size, and also what I liked about them is that the shape of the letter is exactly that. So like you don't get a lot of extra space around them, so you can use them as stencils if you wanted to do that. So that is a definite idea. I got a couple more things, and then we're gonna go into some really fun Halloween things. Awesome, the cleaner Awesome is awesome. I really do like it. It saved my bathtub, literally it saved my porcelain bathtub. And they make a tire cleaner, so I'm gonna try this out on my car. It's important for me when I kind of show up with a client like I'm gonna be doing later on today, that, you know, my car is clean, or at least it looks like it's clean. And that's what I got to just kind of spray the tires out before I go. All right, let's jump into some Halloween stuff because there's so much cuteness. First of all, they have these black and orange battery tea lights. They're so cute. And if you think about like any of the Halloween decor that comes in, like how cool is it that you could actually hide or blend in your colors and your lights? That is something that I think is really cool. I saw an orange pumpkin that was super cute at Dollar Tree, and it was kind of like a tea light holder. I didn't buy it because I have a lot of that kind of stuff in my storage upstairs, but that would be really cute in there because it's going to kind of camouflage or like blend in. And then the same with the black too. You could do a very simple, I mean, gosh, even something like this and just using these in it could be considered Halloween decor if you are balling on a budget. And that is something that I think is super cute. Now, this next item, this was in the Dollar Tree Plus section, and you know me, and you know I love trays. This was $5, and this is the Black Cat apothecary tray. Super cute. It's a metal. It looks like it's a sticker, but it's not. It's just kind of all integrated there. But what I love about these trays, and you've seen me do this before, is that I will upcycle this tray. So like right now, I'll use it for Halloween. I'll probably end up putting it on my coffee table and do some fun candles or something on top of it. But then also what's really cool about it is if I want to spray paint it and use it for another season, maybe even for Christmas time, I can do that. You can paint this red. You could put some scrapbook paper on the inside and cover this. You could do it as a temporary cover because this is black. You could just cut your scrapbook paper, or the removable wallpaper from Dollar Tree would work really good down in there too. You know, make it a temporary change and then peel it away, and then you've got your fun Halloween tray again. So super cute. Really loved that. And then these I thought were adorable. This is a 20-piece LED skeleton light set, and they're battery operated. These are for indoor use only. But what I loved about these is that they are the full little skeletons. Like, how cute is that? And look, their legs are movable, so when they're hanging up there, you're gonna be able to dance around. Now, I think I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna put these just here in my craft room. I like to decorate in here for the seasons, and I think this will be something very easy to do. And I mean, you just put batteries in it and then it's done. You know, hang it up on the wall, string it around the door frame or something, and you've got some really, really cuteness. They kind of look like a little choir, right? Like all of them kind of grouped together there. This was something that I thought was adorable, and this is kind of one of those things where it's like, Dollar Tree made it, and there's not really any reason for me to make one because they did it for much cheaper. This is $3. This is a 6-foot long pumpkin garland. Look how yummy and delicious those pumpkins look. Also, what I really liked about them is that the stem on them is super, super cute. And I also like the way that the garland is, because you can see there that the garland kind of goes into the top of the stem, which means when these hang, these pumpkins should kind of hang towards the bottom of the garland, which I want. And they're just a really good size. They kind of look like they're those almost like a they look like peach fuzz to me, but there's a fabric that looks like that, and I can't think of what it is right now. But super, super cute, right? I love the way that these are. And I thought that these could be really good for a lot of different things. Because if I did want to add other pieces to them or beads to them or something, you could easily do that. This is another version. This is a garland as well, but I'm doing it. I'm going to do it. I've resisted doing it, but gnomes. It is a gnome garland. We're going to open this one up because I want you guys to see this one, because somebody at my Dollar Tree decided to open one up, and it was cute. It was really cute. The colors, first of all, are fantastic for the season, but then the addition of the pom-poms, you guys, look how cute. I just realized that these gnomes have no faces. Do they have faces? Oh yeah, they're there. Okay, I see what's going on. The nose is buried, so you have to cut those tags off. But there, how cute is this? How cute is this? Of course, I've got it backwards. That's what's going on. How cute is this? I mean, this looks like something that you would see at Michael's, at Hobby Lobby. They would be so much more expensive. And if you were to take this and come out, we're just gonna do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Because I really think that this is going to be perfect together. Okay, I mean, this is cuteness overload. Well, it was until it got tangled up. I mean, this is adorable. Look at that. And then it's also 6 foot, by the way. So then if you took this, let's see if I can do this, and combined it with the gnome garland. Almost there. Okay, that didn't work. Look how cute, though. Okay, you know what I mean. Look how cute this is all together. Like, this could be, there you go. That could be the perfect way to hang it on your fireplace. Maybe adjust some of the gnomes where they're hanging in front of the line, but still so cute. I got this for $6, and 6 feet of this will go across my mantle and my fireplace just fine, and it looks really, really good. I have an older fireplace, so it tends to be a little bit smaller, and it's going to be a great size. And then what I think I'm going to do is I'm probably going to create, I have an idea for a beaded wood garland that has some kind of similar fall colors in it. So I'm just going to go with those as my inspiration and then just kind of combine it all together. But that is it. That is everything for today's haul. This is a short one, but so much cute stuff. So much cute stuff. I also got some puddings and some like mashed potatoes and things like that because I'm on a liquid diet basically for, I only have to do it today for like half the day. And then soft foods for a little while, but I'm still here. I'm still creating, still bringing you guys videos because I've got dental bills to pay for now. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, first of all, welcome. And if you are a long-term subscriber of mine, you know, the original gang, I call you guys the OGs. Thank you for being here. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I've got some very, very, very cute fall stuff coming up. And I'm so excited about all of it. And I'm working on a few Halloween things as well. And then I'll have another video for Glowforge as well. So fun stuff coming up. And I look forward to bringing you all of that really, really soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.